The Rubik's Cube world record has just been broken by an 8-year-old Xuanyi Geng. I just spent a really long time putting together a stop motion animation of all his solves, took nearly 3,000 pictures. There's a lot we can learn from his solutions. I hope you enjoy. Starting with a 5-second solve. Xuanyi's about to build a white cross, but interestingly placed his hands on the timer with white on the back instead of on the bottom, allowing for better finger tricks with a wide arm move. Cross sets up to a free F2L pair, which he definitely saw during inspection time. In fact, Xuanyi is so good at inspection that he usually predicts 3 or 4 F2L pairs, which is mind-blowing. Trick Xuanyi did on third pair. Instead of taking the red edge out of the middle layer, doing an F prime sets him up for an easy 3-move pair, and then he just has to undo his setup move. Now, I want to pause the video real quick to give you time to guess how you'd solve this final red-blue F2L pair. Let me know your solutions in the comments. If you thought Xuanyi would hide the edge, match the corner piece, and then insert it, wrong. Xuanyi uses a super clever technique called ZBLS, where he uses a memorized algorithm to solve his last F2L pair, while simultaneously orienting every yellow edge, so he guarantees a cross on top. So if you spend enough time looking at these moves, it looks intuitive. In this scenario, it's just doing a hedge into a pair that can basically be solved normally. There are 493 last layer combinations with a cross that is already solved. Even at just 8 years old, Xuanyi knows every single one of these 493 algorithms. So instead of solving the last layer in 2 steps like the previous world record holder Yiheng Wang, Xuanyi will do it in 1 step. This 5.09 second solve was Xuanyi's only solve in this average that wasn't sub 4. Now we're going to see the 4 so perfect solutions that were all done in under 4 seconds. 3.96 was his slowest counting time. The yellow cross takes only a few moves to solve, but Xuanyi didn't stop there. Notice the yellow-orange edge is attached to its green-orange corner. He wants to preserve it. Also, F prime completes the green-orange edge. Insert its corresponding corner, and boom, an extended cross. As we learned from his 509, Xuanyi uses the ZB method on every single solve. This ZBLS is particularly easy since every white edge is already face up. As long as every move to finish the orange-blue pair is 100% 2gen, meaning only done with like L and U moves, the white edges will stay oriented. If we look deeper into the ZBLL, every corner is permuted. This means that the algorithm Xuanyi has to do to solve it is fully 2gen, making it very finger trick friendly. Before we take a look into his 3.71, I wanted to remind you what cube Xuanyi Geng used for this average. The GAN 16 MagLev. Guess where you can buy it? From SpeedyGoneCuber at £64.95. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can buy this cube, and SpeedyGoneCuber basically has all the best quality speed cubes to help you cube faster, and don't forget to use the discount code SpeedyGoneCuber5 to get 5% off your entire order. Just like solve 1, Xuanyi starts the yellow cross with it positioned on the back, making use of wide arm moves for better finger tricks. But here's the magic, the red-green edge is solved in the back left, with its corresponding corner in the back right. He does a U, then inserts it with the green-orange edge. And then he cancels into not only solving the green-orange corner, but also the orange-blue edge in the front right. Now 3 edges are solved, 1 more corner just needs to be inserted into the front left of the cube, align the cross, and oh my gosh, a triple X cross made completely from pseudo slotting. And no matter what case Xuanyi ends up with at this point, he'll always find a way to skip edge orientation in order to one-look the last layer. All of those moves were done in just 3.71 seconds. For Xuanyi's 384, he created an extended cross, making use of even more wide arm moves. Finishes the red-blue pair smoothly. Orange-green is pretty straightforward. ZBLS, he has a yellow cross, and a soon ZB to finish off. Here's Xuanyi's fastest solve in the average, 3.37. With a kind of similar solution to solve 3. Xuanyi chooses to create another pseudo cross. He inserts the green-orange corner, then inserts its edge at the same time as putting in the red-green corner. But it didn't stop there, because then he just inserts its corresponding edge with the red-blue corner as well, which happened to already have a solved edge, which has been there this whole time. Align the cross, and boom, a triple X cross. Hedge, complete last F2L pair, and a very easy 7 moves soon to finish off. All done in 3.37 seconds. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you found Xuanyi's solutions useful. I'd really appreciate it if you consider liking this video for the YouTube algorithm. Happy cubing and have an amazing day.